Famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Now, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, especially from Sims Right, the management. Thank you guys for your support. Now today let's make wraps. And we made this chicken fillets or chicken breast aside, right? And when we do our wraps, other people prefer to preheat them, others don't. I personally don't preheat it because it becomes a bit harder, and in that sense it end up not being eye controlling. So that is chicken fillet. Probably you'll get a video of how I made chicken fillets and cheese and mushroom sauce that I made, and then you wrap it like this. I once saw somebody I did a wrap and no, you have to make a pocket in order for everything that you put to be inside. All right, and then after that, before kidira ketlo ka sauce, you can either put mayonnaise mayonnaise and honey. I just had my feet. Mayonnaise and honey, just to give it a little bit of taste. Let it not be dry like your relationship. But I believe you'll fix things this 2026 rather. So yeah, cheesy again. If you are not a cheese person, you can always put, what is it? Anything, man. Ham, I don't know. I'm not a chef. So, and then sauce. This sauce was actually very nice. Very nice. You see how we make a pocket. You see how we made a pocket. So this time around, I didn't want to put lettuce because we were having it with a lettuce salad. So there's no use of putting lettuce inside your wrap and also lettuce as a side. Does not make sense, right? And then after you preheat it, to close the pocket, you see where you see the brown part, it's where I was preheating it so that it can close nicely, so that it can close without opening. That's it. Easy. Now, thank you for watching, Famies. I hope you remain well and all the best for the year 2026. We are very tired. Today I'm very tired. Bagit yo, Lena. Story time. Anyway, may God bless you. Thank you once more for 1,000 subscribers. Until we meet again. Bye.